boy Keythedon. Today we got Easy Mill and Screwface John collab. What? Yo, I did not know these niggas knew each other, bro. Shout out to the request in the comments, cause dude sent a request saying that they the collab. I'm like, what, man? I did not know that. That's crazy. Yeah, man. Let me know. Keep the requests coming. You know, see, I learn something new every day. You know, it is what it is. Let's get into it, though. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Let's get it.
Oh, time to get to it. Let's get right to the...
Man, look at the way the nigga sit down, bro. You know, chill out, bro.
Oh, time to get to it.
What the fuck is that?
Oh, time to get
Look at this
to
niggas, bro.
it. Let's get right to... Hello?
Hey, what up, guy?
What's poppin'?
Man, you already know it's time to get righteous and ratchet.
Oh, yeah. It's about that time. It's about that time.
You already know, man.
Man,
Go.
this nigga funny, man.
I came from the sand for holy land. Understand you got for open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band like Axel, I rose standing. We think it's the Corleone fam. Like only fan, you fucked up in the short of can. Right in the broken land. Out of chat, we can be right to rest. Bitch, we talk, the bitch we can. We can be right to rest. Hey, we can be right to rest.
Oh shit. The Pop Smoke, Pop Smoke.
Most people are stoned. We can be right to rest. So what the fuck you call that? And y'all can't look at top hat. Fucking nigga want all that. You niggas all whack. Fuck the game, take it all back. Don't you know I give them all scraps? I give them all against until I'm fucking them winning. The land full of sticks, I got a ton full of venom.
Hold on.
And y'all can't look at top hat. Fucking nigga want all that. You niggas all whack. Fuck the game, take it all back. Don't you know I give them all scraps? I give them all against until I'm fucking them winning. The land full of sticks, I got a ton full of venom. Army in the village with a running wrong with. Face the general, he's a fucking lieutenant.
Similar situation, I'm hitting on your bitch, cause I'm lyrically everything. I'm hitting y'all bitches, some blue faces on my stack.
Bro, what the fuck did he... Yo, what the fuck are both of them niggas saying, bro? Come on.
The land full of sticks, I got a ton full of venom. Army in the village with a running wrong with. Face the general, he's a fucking lieutenant.
Similar situation, I'm hitting on your bitch, cause I'm lyrically everything. I'm hitting y'all bitches, some blue faces on my...
Yo, bro, I'm lost. I'm lost.
Similar situation, I'm hitting on your bitch, cause I'm lyrically everything. I'm hitting y'all bitches, some blue faces on my stack, homie. Give a fuck where you from, at, homie. Send me the A, we put it on now. Send me the A, we put it on now. Fuck on the block, wanted you down. Now you got murder on the car. Who fucking $10 on the rigger? We gon' run the extra, driving in the sprinter with the SMS, the standing with the living like your homies. Rest in peace, t-shirt. I ain't playing, y'all get beat worse. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. Quick shit.
We can be right to rest. Bitch, we talk, the bitch we can. We can be right to rest. Hey, we can be right to rest. I come from the bottom, people are stars. We can be right to rest.
It's stained up in a demon whip. Got the cane cup, they're thinking sipper. But the able to let the evil get like the thing. Fuck shit for the semen tripping. I'm down to a pool in the soul. Y'all see an angel, but none of you know. Y'all get booed up with thinking she righteous, but she hit me up and she bent for the pole.
So ready and good, it's set up before. They say they would do it, set in stone.
That switch is fire right there. I like that.
Thinking she righteous, but she hit me up and she bent for the pole.
So ready and good, it's set up before. They say they would do it, set in stone. After some things that the reverend don't know. I know some secrets that's never gonna show. Cause if they get out, they'll kick in my house and I'll go in the bay where the pelicans go. Cause the posse be like a hockey team. Gotta stick 'em with a semi, they pros. Like a monster, eating lobster with pasta. Just to stop us, you go new planet out. Body on my body, cause Kevin Costa. Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my body.
That's the best flow in this shit. That's the best flow in this shit. Hold on.
Be like a hockey team, gotta stick him with a semi-pro. Like a monster, eating lobster with pasta. Just to stop us, you go new planet options. Body on my body, cause Kevin Costa. Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my partner.
Fuck it, I'm gonna pass the mic to my partner. Come on.
Open my heads like a soccer, deflating those brillantes de blanca. We locked in Boeings to set up the casa. So get to home and the setup is stupid.
All that chicken, all that check, we give it right to the rest. Talking to bitch, we can't, but we give it right to the rest. Hey, hey, we give it right to the rest. I came from the bottom, most people are strong. We give it right to the rest.
Man. Yo, once again, bro, shout out to the dude that react to I keep saying react, I meant to say requested this, bro. Yeah, dog, let me know down in the comments, bro, what y'all want to see. That's it for the day, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out.